Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about 3 things you need to know about your auto insurance policy. So first, you should know what kind of coverage you have for your vehicle. Do you have liability only coverage that protects you against the other person, pays for their vehicle or any bodily injury that you may cause or other property damage that you may cause? Or do you also have comprehensive and collision coverage for your vehicle? So that way you would know what your deductible is in that situation too. So you just want to know, do you have coverage for that? Do you have rental car coverage? All those things. If there's something that you're not aware of, you should just call your agent and ask them to explain your auto policy to you.
And the second thing you want to make sure you've got on your policy is uninsured and underinsured coverage. According to the Insurance Research Council, 1 in 7 drivers do not have coverage on their vehicle, meaning if they hit your car, they're not paying for it. So you want to make sure you've got that on your auto policy. It's typically not that expensive, but that's what's protecting you. And you're able to take whatever limit you're going to give somebody else. Meaning if you have 100,000, 300,000 auto liability limits on your auto policy, you're able to take the same for uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage. And we've seen some pretty high losses on that front. And you always hear in the news where a car hits somebody and then they leave. That's where they probably don't have that coverage, and so that's where it's really important to make sure you've got that on your auto policy.
And the third thing is to know what your liability limits are. You want to make sure that you have enough coverage to protect yourself, protect your assets in the event that you could cause a bad accident. So a lot of times I have conversations with people and they're not aware that they could be sued over their auto limits that they currently carry, but you can. So you just want to make sure that you have enough coverage to protect your assets. And with that, you could look at adding an umbrella policy. It's an inexpensive way to protect yourself, protect your assets in the event that you cause a bad accident and someone sues you. So just call your agent, ask them about that, and they can kind of guide you on what they would recommend for you as far as your liability limits go.
And that's what we got for you today. Feel free to check out our channel for other great videos.